Express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. The first number we have here is 140. So 140 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So this is the product. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 7 is 140. We have to make sure that all of our factors are prime numbers. For the second bit we have here 156. So 156, if you guys can't write the prime factors directly, I can suggest you one more method. So 156, if I divide it by 2, I will get 78. And again, because it's an even number, I can further divide it by 2. So I would get 39. 3 and it's 39. So 39 is divisible by 3. So if I divide it by 3, I get 13. So all the prime factors of 156, we have it over here. So 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. For the next number, we have 3825. If I follow the same method here, so since the last digit is 5, first let me divide it by 5. So 38, 7s are 32, 6, 765. Last digit is 5 again, so we can divide it by 5. 1, 5, so remainder 5, okay, 15. So 153. This number is divisible by 3. 51. 51 again is divisible by 3. So we would get 17. So 3825 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. For the fourth bit, we have the number 5005. So first dividing the number by 5, I would get 1001. 1001 is divisible by 11. So 9s are 91. Okay. So this number is divisible by 7. 1. So these are our prime factors now. 5005 product of its prime, so that would be 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So for the fifth number we have 7429. Following the same method, so when I tried out different prime numbers, I found out 17 is divisible. So if I divide this number by 17, I would get 437. So 437 is again divisible by 19, and which would leave us with 23. So 7429 can be written as a product of 17 into 19 into 23.
Take a screenshot of the solution or download the solution link from the description box below.